Friends, hope so you all will be fine. In today's video I will show you that little man computer simulator, how it works and how you can write any kind of code in little man computer simulator. So here you can see that there is a sample program here. You can see that load program in RAM, run program. If we run it, it's asking for the input, for example 2. So here you can see that 210. So these are some of the random access memories. Here you can see 0001, 0203, 0405. So this is how this simulator works. This is the central processing unit. So first of all, if we see that what are these sections: input, out, STA. So let's go to the instruction set. So there are little bit of instructions for LM simulator or LMC program. So first one is load. So for loading we use LDA and its machine code is 5. So what it does is load the content of the given mailbox onto the accumulator calculator. Note the contents of the mailbox are not changed. So second one is store. How we can store the input or any kind of variable in the memory. So for storing any kind of value we use STA and its numerical or machine code is 3. So what it does is store the contents of the accumulator calculator to the mailbox of the given address. Note the contents of the accumulator are not changed. So these are the fixed values which cannot be changed. So for adding, what we do is we use ADD add and its numerical or machine code is 1. Add the contents of the given mailbox onto the accumulator calculator. Note that contents of the mailbox are not changed and the actions of accumulator are not defined for add instructions that cause sum larger than 3 digits. So subtract, what it does, how we can use this instruction: SUB. So numerical or machine code for it is 2. Subtract the contents of the given mailbox from accumulator calculate. Note that the contents of the mailbox are not and the actions of the accumulator are not defined for subtract instruction that cause negative result. However, a negative flag will be set to so that BRP can be used properly. We will see this later as well. So for inputting any value we use INP and its machine code is 901. Copy the value from the inbox onto the accumulator. For outputting we use out OUT and its machine code is 902. Copy the value from accumulator to the outbox. Note the contents of the accumulator are not changed. End is used to halt the program or exit the program. So we use HL and any kind of program. So its machine code is 000, causes the little man computer to stop executing your program. So if else, if the condition is 0, we use BRZ. Its numerical or machine code is 7. So if the contents of the accumulator calculator are 000, the piece program counter will be set to the given address. Note, since the program is stored in the memory, data and program instructions all have the same address or location format. So if the value is 0 or positive, we use PR. Numerical or machine code for it is 8. If the contents of the accumulator are 000 or positive, the negative flag is not set. Program counter will be set to the given address. Note, since the program is stored in the memory, data and program instructions all have the same address or location format. So branch always. So it is used for it is used to store the memory and to jump to any kind of branch. For using this we use BRA and its machine code is 6. Set the contents of accumulator to the given address. Note, since the program is stored in memory, data and the program instruction all have the same address or location format. So data location, so it is the location of the data which is stored using any kind of instruction. We use DAT. For that, numerical or machine code is the data itself. When compiled, a program converts instruction to a digit code. These codes are placed in sequential mailboxes. Instead of a program component, this instruction will reserve the next mailbox for data storage. So hope you have learned all these kind of instructions. We will write sample programs using these instructions. For example, addition of numbers, subtraction of numbers, division, even numbers or odd numbers, and similarly a lot of programs. So if you have any kind of problem related these related LMC, so you can also ask me in the comment section, so I can make program or code for it and you can learn from it. So if you face any issues in these understanding these instructions, you can ask me. These are few instructions for LMC. So hope you understood my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, to get to subscribe and be updated for more videos. See you in the next video.